Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, here to show you a quick tip. If you have a Nissan or you're in this particular problem, customer has her positive is completely ate up because the brass is completely messed up. All you have to do is go to AutoZone or Advance or whatever and get one of these terminals. The only problem is it's not going to fit. So the question is, well, how do I make it fit? Well, all you have to do is get yourself a drill bit. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to drill inside this and make it bigger to make it fit. Little technical difficulty. I'll make it all nice and better. There we go. All I'm doing is drilling. All I'm doing is making the hole a little bigger. This is copper. And you just keep on making it bigger until it slides right on in. As you see, all I gotta do is go down a little bit further. I'm gonna grab something so I won't drill my hand. Safety's important. Go. Just takes a little bit of time, a little finessing. Drill it all the way in. Back it out. Throw it up a little bit. And let's see if it'll fit. And voila. And it goes right over there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that like button. Thank you.